Moroccanoil texture and volume powder instantly adds lightweight body and texture, leaving your client's hair with a natural looking finish and soft, touchable results. It delivers instant volume, uplifts strands, and enhances any style at the root. This high-performing powder also adds a grip and texture for effortless styling and long-lasting flexible holds. Formulated with argan oil to help nourish the hair, Moroccanoil texture and volume powder also contains our 3D mineral compound that prevents hair from lying flat, giving your client's hair the lifted appearance that they love. To use, simply apply to dry hair at the root and style with your fingers until the desired result is achieved. I like to send my clients home with this product so they can reactivate their volume throughout the day just by tousling their hair. Moroccanoil texture and volume powder won't weigh down the hair or leave it feeling sticky, making it the ideal product for fine, thin, or flat hair.